Good morning and welcome back to our channel. So today we will learn how to create WordPress blog site using Stack. So we are going to create an instance. Then we will install a web server and then we will launch a website. All this task will be done through CloudFormation. We just have to provide the template file and everything will be done automatically. So let's start. Go to the Amazon Web Services. First of all, let's go to the CloudFormation service. In search bar write CloudFormation and open the service. Let's wait. After that you are able to see the dashboard of the service. As we have not created any stack till now, so let's create one. Click on Create Stack. Here we have to configure our stack. So we are able to see three different options in Prepare Template. If your template is already ready, then you can choose the first option and down you have to give the bucket URL. If you have uploaded your template in the Amazon S3 bucket, or else if the template is in your local machine, then you can choose the Upload Template option. Moving on to the second option, which is Use a Template. So here you have to choose the template which are already existing. We will choose this option later on. Moving to third option, which is Create a Template in Designer. So AWS CloudFormation Designer is a graphic tool for creating, viewing, and modifying AWS CloudFormation templates. So here we are going to choose the second option, which is Use a Template, as we want to create a WordPress blog site. So click on the option, and down here we have to select the template which we want to use. So there are many options available, but for now we are choosing the WordPress one. So click on it and down here you will be able to see the bucket URL. So this is the bucket where our template will be stored. Now click on Next. So here we need to specify details for the stack. Firstly, we have to provide the stack name. So here we'll give the stack name as WordPress. After giving the name as WordPress, we will proceed to parameters part. In the parameters part we have to provide some details. So first is DB password. You can specify the DB password of your choice. So here let me provide the DB password as admin123, which is admin123. You can even give a different one. After that we have to provide DB root password. For me I will provide the password as same which I have given in DB password, which is admin123, which is admin123. Now we have to provide username here. So I will give the username as user only. Here you are also not able to see the username. After giving the username, then we will move to the instance type. There are many instance types available. So here I will choose T2 Micro as instance type. Moving further to key name parameter. So here we will provide a key pair. So we can even create a new key pair, or if you have already created it, then you will be able to see that key pair in the drop-down. Select the key pair from there. And now for the SSH location part, we will keep it as by default only and after filling all the details we will now move further and click on Next. So after clicking on Next, we have to configure our stack option. So first we have tag here. We can create tags for our stack. So let's create one tag. Click on Add New Tag, and name it as Stack, and value will be WP, which is WordPress. So our tag is created. Now we will take all other configurations as default, and let's click on Next. After adding tags to our stack, we have to review our stack. So let's do that. Check out the parameters details, and if you want to edit some configurations, you can do it at this stage. So after reviewing our stack, we will click on Submit button, and wait till the stack is created. So we are on the stack page now. So here we are able to see all the stacks, and right side we are able to see our stack, which is WordPress in detail. So now let's explore it. Here we are able to see many different parameters, so let's see them one by one. First is the stack info. So here we can see overview of our current stack. So we are able to see stack ID, status, and much more information about our stack. Next we have events. So in the events section, we are able to see all the events of your stack creation. There are many columns present here. Next is resources. In resources part there are all the resource which are specified in the template which we want to use. So there are two resources. First is instance, and second is security group. Next here we are able to see output of our stack. URL for our website is created here. We will click it afterwards. Now let's go on to the parameters tab. Here we are able to see many different parameters such as DB name, DB password, dbrute password, user, instance type, etc. etc. So now, we have the last column, which is the most important one, which is template. So in template we have to define all the resources which we want, and then all the resources will be created for us automatically. So now let's go to the Output tab, and open the URL into the new tab, right-click and open it. So here we will get the form to install WordPress. So now let's fill the details here. Give the site title name as, My Supercomputer. After giving the site title name, we will give the username. The username will be user only. Then we have to provide a password here. So password will be admin123, which is admin123. You can give password of your choice. Then we have to provide email here. So I will give akrutievatsiraj20@new.ac.in. So after providing the email, you have to click the checkbox and install the WordPress. So click on Install WordPress to install it. Let's wait till it gets installed. So now the WordPress is installed, so let's log in into it. Click on Login, and here it will ask for username and password. So the username is user and password is admin123. After providing the details, click on Login. So here we are on the WordPress dashboard. So now let's see our sample blog which we have created. Click on the user image and down you will be able to see Logout option. Click on Logout. Once we are logged out, we have to delete this tab, so we will delete it. After doing this again come on the Output tab here, and open the link in New tab. Right-click and open it. So here we are able to see our sample blog on WordPress site. So that's how you can do this through CloudFormation. CloudFormation automates all the tasks for you. You just have to provide the instructions. Now let's go on the CloudFormation tab, and now let's delete the stack. So right side we are able to see the delete option. Click on delete option and it will ask for confirmation. Click on delete, and the stack will be deleted in few minutes. So that's how you can create WordPress blog site using Stack through CloudFormation. That's it for the video. Meeting you in the next video.